In this video, you'll see how to create product displays for your links and Thirsty affiliates. A product display lets you create beautiful displays that complement your unique brand style and entice customers to click and make a purchase with ease. You'll be able to showcase your affiliate products in a sleek, eye-catching way, instead of just another boring old product or affiliate link. Product displays are an absolute must-have for any affiliate marketer. They have the power to really boost your user experience, drive more sales, and up your earnings like never before. They can make shopping on your website an easy, informative, and enjoyable experience. This encourages site visitors to stick around and ultimately click and buy your affiliate products. So in this video, first, I'm going to show you how to create a product display on a link in Thirsty Affiliates. And then you'll see how to insert a product display on a WordPress post or page. Finally, I'll show you how to group multiple product displays together and then show them all side by side on a post. Before you get started, you'll need to have the Thirsty Affiliates plugin installed on your WordPress website. And then, once you have Thirsty Affiliates on your site, you need to activate the Product Display add-on. So to do that, go to Thirsty Affiliates and Add-ons. And then find Product Displays, and then click to install and activate the add-on. And then, once the add-on is activated, you're ready to go. Now, you can add product displays when creating brand new affiliate links. You would just go to Thirsty Affiliates here on the left sidebar, and New Affiliate Link. And then create your link, and then add your product display here in this section. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a product display to an existing link that you already have created. So here on my sample site, I'll go to Thirsty Affiliates and Affiliate Links. And then I'll go ahead and find a link for a product that I have. And then click to edit the link. So when you're on an edit page for a new or existing link, just scroll down here to the product display section. And here's where you're going to create your display. So this right here is a real-time preview of what your display will look like as you edit it. So this box here is what will actually be embedded on your posts and pages once you're finished. And the product title here is what you set as the link title up here at the top. And if you change the title, you can see that it reflects down here in the preview too. Okay, next you can select a theme. So basic looks like this, with rounded corners and a bit of a shadow. And then here in the dropdown, boxed puts a thicker border around it like this. And sharp makes it thin and square like this. So you have these three options to choose from. For mine, I'm going to stick with basic. Next, you can select a product image, which will appear right here. So if you click on this button, you can upload a new image from your computer, or select one that you already have uploaded to your WordPress media library. So I already have my image in my library, so I'll go ahead and select it, and then click Use this image. And it inserts the image, and you can see it updates here in the preview. Next is the description. So type or paste your product description here in this field. And you have some features here in the editor to bold, italicize, underline, create bullet point lists, and more. So I already have my description all typed out, so I'm going to go ahead and paste it here. Just like that. So with this description, this is your chance to really sell your product to site visitors. Give detailed information about the product's benefits, features, and specifications. And you can make this as detailed and in-depth as you want, but it is generally recommended not to clutter your product display up too much with a huge giant description. So use your best judgment, but keep things detailed, but as short and sweet as possible. But again, it's all up to you. If you like a big description and you like how it looks, go ahead and go with that. So you can see here that I have a brief sentence at the top selling people on the product, and then a bullet point list of benefits and features. And you can really get creative too and add emojis or special characters like bullets and check marks too. So once you have your description all squared away, next you see a field to set the price. So enter the product's price and then how you want it displayed, like this. And you can see it displays the price here on the display. Next, badge text will display a little flag at the top of the display. So I'm just going to type in our fave. And then once I have that text in there, you can see the badge here added at the top. So this is useful if you're showing multiple displays next to each other and you want to nudge people towards a specific product or products. And we are going to see how to show multiple displays next to each other later in the video. So next up, primary button text lets you change what the button that users click on to visit your link says. So instead of buy now, you can change the text here. This lets you really customize your call to action to your specific audience or product. The next two options let you add another button to your product display, and that's for a review page. This can be an external page outside of your WordPress site or a poster page that you create. So I do have a sample review page created here on my site for this product. So real quick, I'll go to Pages on the left sidebar, and then I'll find my review page, and then copy its URL here. And then back here on the product display for my affiliate link, I'll just paste that page's URL here. And then you can change what the button says. And it looks like this on the display. So once I have everything set here on my display, I can see what it's going to look like. So it looks good to me. To save my display, I'll click here to save the link. So now my product display is saved on the link. Also, you can customize what your product display looks like even further in the settings too. So to show you that, if you go to Thirsty Affiliates and Settings, in the Product Display tab, here you can change the color of your buttons and the text color for the buttons. And you could also change the hover state color, which is the color the users will see when they hover their mouse over it. So here, I'm going to go ahead and change my button colors, and then I'll show you how it updates on the display later. Okay, so my colors are all changed. And then here, you can enter some affiliate disclosure text, which appears at the bottom of your display. It'll let visitors know that you're making a commission off their purchase. So you can enter some text, or change it if you already have some entered here. So I'll go ahead and just paste my affiliate disclosure. And if you make any changes here in the settings, just be sure to click Save Changes to save everything. So now that I changed my button color, and I added some affiliate disclosure text, I'll go back to Affiliate Links, and then click to edit my link to show you what this looks like. And then I'll head down to Product Display, and now you can see my updated buttons with the new color, and my disclosure text here at the bottom. Okay, so now that I have a product display all set and designed, next I'll show you how to actually insert it on a page or post. So there's two ways to do this. One is to copy a shortcode here on the link, and the other is to insert it as a block when editing a page or post. So first, I'll show you how to copy and paste a product display shortcode. So here on the edit page of a link, in the product display section, click on this button here, Copy Shortcode. It'll copy the shortcode for the display that you can paste on your pages and posts. So with it copied, now I'll head to Post here in the left sidebar, and go to a sample blog post where I want to insert my product display. And then once I have the post open, I'll just choose where I want it to appear. So I can just click to add the text here, or you can also click the plus sign and just insert a paragraph block. And then paste the code here. So you can see it paste the shortcode. So it won't actually show the shortcode text that you're seeing here. It'll actually insert the product display itself on the post. So once you have it pasted, just click to save the page or the post. And then once it's saved, now when I go to view the post that I have here, you can see my product display now. So right here in my blog post, a site visitor can see it, get enticed by the image and the description, they could check out my reviews if they want to, or they could click to buy it. And the Buy Now button will take them to whatever the destination URL is for the affiliate link. So now I'm going to show you how to insert your product displays directly on a page without having to copy the shortcode. This will achieve the exact same thing as we just did, it's just another way to do it. So I'll go back to Posts, and then click on my blog post again. And then I'll choose where I want the product display to be. And I'll click the plus sign now to add a new block. And then I'll search for TA, And then you'll see this block type here, TA product display. So you just click to insert it. And then it inserts the block here. And then click Add Display. And in the dropdown, select Single Link. And again, you'll see what display groups are at the end of the video. So once I select Single Link, here, just start typing the name of the link with the product display that you want to insert. And then once it populates, just click to select it. And then it inserts the product display. So once it's inserted, go ahead and save the page or post. And then once it's saved, I'll click to view my post. And I can see the display inserted. So to insert your product displays, you have those two options. Again, they both do the exact same thing, so it's up to you which one you want to use. Now, the last thing I want to show you is how to group multiple product displays together and then show them all in a page or post all together. So if you have multiple products, visitors can get a nice showcase of all of them side by side, compare them, and then choose which ones they want to click. So on my sample site here, I went ahead and made 3 additional product displays. So I have 4 total. So the first thing you're going to do is create a product display group. To do that, go to Thirsty Affiliates and Display Groups. And then click Add New. And then give it a title. Now the title is only viewable to you as the site's admin, but be descriptive to let yourself know what products you're grouping together so you don't forget. And then next to Group Type, choose either List or Grid. List will show your displays in a top to bottom list, and Grid will show them next to each other in a different style. I'll go ahead and select Grid, but later I'll show you what the list view looks like too. And then here, add the product displays that you want in the group. Just start typing the name of the link, and then select it here. So I'm going to go ahead and add my 4 links. So once you're finished and all your links are added, click Publish here to save the group. And now my display group's created. So to actually insert a display group on a page or a post, it's the same process as a single product display. You can either copy the shortcode and paste it in, or you can use the TA block. So to show you what inserting a display group looks like, I'll go ahead and head back to my blog post. And then once I'm on the blog post, I'll choose where I want the group. And then I'll click the plus sign icon and TA product display. And it inserts that block here. And this time I'll choose display group. And then I'll start typing the name of my display. And select it here. And it inserts the group here. So I'll save the post now. And then once it's saved, I'll go ahead and view it. And then here's what my group looks like with the grid view option. Pretty cool. Now, real quick, I'll go back to my display group in Thirsty Affiliates. And then I'll click to edit my group. And then now I'll change the display type to List. And then I'll save the group. So to show you what the list view looks like, I'll go back to my blog post and hit refresh. And here's what the list view looks like. So you have those 2 different options of how to show your display groups. And that's it. You've now seen how to create product displays in Thirsty Affiliates. See our knowledge base for more information on creating product displays and supercharging your affiliate marketing game with Thirsty Affiliates. Also, be sure to follow our blog for all of our latest tips and tricks on all things affiliate marketing.